In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table using the Excel key in N8n step by step. This is a quick and practical workflow if you want to automate spreadsheet tasks inside N8n without wasting time doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n automation guides. Let's get into it. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel. Once you see the Microsoft Excel node, select it and add it to your workflow. This is the node you'll use to connect your Excel account and work with spreadsheet data. After adding the node, the next step is to choose Create a Table. This option tells N8n that you want to build a new table inside your Excel file rather than reading or updating existing data. Select it carefully so you are working with the correct Excel action. Now, you need to configure the node by giving the required details. Fill in the Excel key information along with the file and table settings that N8n asks for. Make sure the details match the spreadsheet you want to use. This usually includes the workbook, sheet, and table-related fields, depending on your setup. Once the details are entered, review everything one more time to make sure the configuration is correct. A small mistake in the file reference or table setup can cause the node to fail, so it is always worth double-checking before running the workflow. After that, save the node and execute the workflow to create the table in Excel. If everything is configured properly, N8n will create the table for you automatically. And that's it. You've learned how to create a table using the Excel key in N8n. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple N8n tutorials like this one.